Hello kids, welcome to our class today. I am teacher Cheryl, and for today's topic, I am going to discuss about the terminologies or words that are related to area. So for this week topic, our topic is about area of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. Are you ready to learn, kids? Okay, sit well and listen to our discussion. Let's start with our definition about area. So area is the number of square units that cover the surface of the figure. So the figures could be covered by smaller squares. A single square is a square unit, while the one side length of a square unit is what we call a linear unit. The length of the number of linear units is the longer side. Ito yon. Ang ibig sabihin ng length is yung mahabang side ng isang unit, while the width is the number of units of the shorter side. So, yung side naman na may maiksi, ang tawag dyan is width. Okay kids, let's move on. Let's talk about triangle. So, triangle is a three-sided polygon. Ang sabi po sa concept ng polygon, polygon is a closed geometric figures made of a straight line segment connected or joint end to end. Ibig sabihin, itong line segment na ito, connected dito. Ito naman dito sa baba, connected naman dito. As you can see, close po ang figure na ito. Nakikita ninyo, nagko-connect sila. Wala itong awang. Nakadikit sila sa isa't isa, yung line segment. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng polygon. So sa polygon, may iba't ibang tawag tayo. Isa na dito is triangle. Ang triangle is composed of three sides. Yun po ang ibig sabihin nun, ang triangle. 1, 2, 3. So, three-sided polygon. Hindi siya four-sided. Iba na ang tawag kapag four sides na meron ang isang polygon. Hindi na siya triangle. Pero kapag three-sided polygon, tawag doon is triangle. Okay, kids. So, bago ako mag-i-introduce sa inyo yung dalawang nahuhuli nating figures, tingnan muna natin ang difference ni parallel lines at saka ni perpendicular lines. Kung makikita ninyo may drawing tayo dito. Sa drawing pa lang alam na natin kung ano ang difference nila. Pero let's go deeper. Si parallel lines, ang ibig sabihin, lines that remain the same distance apart and never intersect. Ibig sabihin, si blue, never niyang matatouch si orange. Hindi katulad dito sa kabila. Kung nakikita ninyo siya, si blue at si orange ay magkalayo, ganun po si parallel lines. Hindi po sila pwedeng mag-touch to each other. Hindi sila pwedeng tumikit sa isa't isa. Ganyan lang po silang dalawa. Blue is parallel to this orange line. Next is perpendicular lines. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng perpendicular lines? Ito naman yung lines that intersect at 90 degrees angle. So, ano bang tawag doon sa 90 degrees angle? Yun ay tinatawag natin na right angle. Nakita nyo si yellow ay nag-intersect kay green at nag-form ng 90 degrees angle. Ang 90 degrees angle na yun, tawag natin doon is right angle. Now, alam nyo na kung ano ang difference silang dalawa. Okay? So, it will help you to understand more sa susunod na figure natin. Okay, so let us have the next figure, which is the parallelogram. This is a four-sided polygon with two pairs of opposite sides parallel. Andun na naman si polygon, teacher. So, nakalagay po dito is four-sided polygon. Ibig sabihin, isa siya sa mga types of quadrilaterals. Ang quadrilaterals, mga anak, is a type of a polygon that has four line segments that connect to each other. Under kay quadrilaterals, meron tayong iba't ibang types, which are as follows: square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid, and parallelogram. Okay? Yan po. So, anong ibig sabihin? With two pairs of opposite sides. Kung napapansin ninyo mga anak, nandito po ay makikita ninyo itong line at itong nasa ilalim ay pareho sila ng haba. Diba? At ito naman nasa gilid na dalawa ay pareho din. Pero itong nasa gilid, hindi sila pareho nitong nasa taas o di kaya nasa baba. Okay. Explain further, teacher. Okay po. These two sides is one pair already of opposite sides. Itong side na ito is parallel to this one. Nakuha po. Now, ngayon naman, itong nasa taas at nasa baba. This upper part is parallel to this at the bottom part. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, one pair, another one pair is equals to two pairs of opposite sides parallel. Yon ang parallelogram. Okay? Okay, kids, let's move on with our last figure, which is a trapezoid. Trapezoid is a four-sided polygon. Binanggit ko siya kanina sa types of quadrilateral. Hindi lang si parallelogram under kay quadrilaterals. Pati si trapezoid is under quadrilaterals. Uulitin ko, ang quadrilaterals ay mayroong four sides. Okay? Four sides po ito. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. They are connected to each other. That makes them a polygon. So aside from four-sided polygon si trapezoid, it has one pair of opposite sides parallel. Alin po kaya dyan ang opposite sides parallel? One pair lang. Kung si parallelogram ay dalawa ang kanyang opposite sides parallel, eto naman si trapezoid, isa lang, which is this one and this one. They are parallel to each other. Okay po? And now, let's talk about height. Okay? So, kay triangle, the length of a perpendicular line segments from a vertex to the opposite sides, yon ang kanyang height. So, nasa ng vertex dyan, teacher? Nasa ng opposite ng vertex? Okay? So, ito ang tinatawag nating vertex. Ito yung nasa taas. Next, nasaan po ang opposite sides ng vertex? Nandito sa baba. Itong base na to ay opposite to the vertex. Okay po? Now, ang tawag dito sa line na ito ay ang kanyang height. Yun po ang height ng triangle. Okay? Okay, now let's proceed with parallelogram and trapezoid. So, hanapin natin si height. Ang sabi po dito, unahin natin si parallelogram, the length of the perpendicular line from the base. Ang ibig sabihin ng base ay nasa baba. Okay? From the baseline to the line parallel to it. So, ano ang parallel line dito sa base? Sige nga. Okay, yes, very good. Etong nasa taas, ito yung parallel line dito kay base. Magkatapat sila, same kanyang haba. Now, sabi the length of the perpendicular line from the base line to the parallel to it. So, from this point, papunta dito sa parallel line ni base, ay ang tawag natin dyan ay height. Yun po ang height ni parallelogram. Okay, kids? Okay, now, for the trapezoid, mga anak, dito naman po, the length of the perpendicular line from the baseline to the side parallel. Okay, now, nasan ba ang base natin? Etong nasa baba. Siya po ang base 1. Okay po, pwede natin siyang tawaging base 1. Ang side parallel naman ni base 1 ay etong nasa taas. Side parallel ha, side parallel. Pwede natin siyang tawaging base 2. So, sa higher level ng mathematics, matik na yan, base 1 and base 2. Ngayon, ang sabi doon, yung height daw ni trapezoid ay yung perpendicular line. Galing dito sa base 1, papunta doon sa base 2. So, ano ba yung perpendicular line? Ano nga ulit? Yes, yung mga lines na nag-intersect at nag-form sila ng 90 degrees angle. Okay po. So, ito po yun. Ito po yung line na yun. Okay, nag-intersect siya dito sa base at nag-form siya ng 90 degrees. Okay po. So, yun po ang ating height or trapezoid. Okay po, maliwanag po ba mga anak? Okay, very good. And for your activity, mga anak, for our directions, write true if the statement is correct. So, true lang ang susulat ha, kung tama ang statement. If it is not, then write false. And then write the word or words that makes it wrong. So, aside from false, susulat ninyo yung salitang nagpamali sa statement. Okay po? Let's have number 1. A single square with side length of 1 linear unit is called a square unit. Write only the answer. Okay? Okay, for number 2, the width of a rectangle is the number of linear units on the longer side. True or false? Sulat ang sagot sa inyong notebook. Next, number 3, the area of a figure is measured by the number of square units that cover its surface. True or false? And for number 4, a trapezoid has 2 pairs of parallel sides. True or false? Write it in your notebook. And for number 5, a parallelogram is a 4-sided polygon with 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel. Okay, and that's it. So, i-check natin ang inyong mga activity tomorrow. Okay? So, do not forget to bring your math notebook. Of course, dapat meron kayong activity na kasulat dyan. Thanks for watching, kids, and stay safe.